Experience the revolution in cleanliness and comfort with dog grooming kits and vacuums, your ultimate solution for a spotless, happy home and a well-groomed, joyful pet. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 dog grooming kits and vacuums available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best dog grooming kits and vacuums. The 5th product on this list is the GEREFET Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit. Do you want your pet to look more beautiful and happier? If you love your dog but hate the mess they leave behind, you need this pet grooming kit. This handy vacuum and hair dryer combo gives you all the tools to keep your beloved pooch looking their best. It has a 9-foot-long thickened hose that is perfect for vacuuming in hard-to-reach places, such as stairs or tight corners, and it works 2 ways. Also, these clippers and scissors are great for trimming down long hair and removing excess fur around their face or paws. In addition, its powerful hand vacuum will allow you to quickly clean any messes from carpet, furniture, and bedding, while the integrated hair dryer dries undercoat and topcoat. This smart dog grooming kit can be used as a vacuum cleaner and as a hair dryer at the same time. Lastly, it does not require any extra power source when working. You only need to plug directly into the socket. Its pros are: loose hair is suctioned into the vacuum after being trimmed, it has 3 levels of power making it more versatile, and it has a self-cleaning brush that is extra easy to clean up. However, its charging cable is a USB-A to USB-C, which is rather outdated. The GEREFET Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit is ideal for pet owners and stylists alike. It has the characteristics of a hairdryer, vacuum, and professional dog clipper. Up next in 4th place is the Kidken P3 Pro. Are you mowing your pet and vacuuming at the same time? Clipping is essential to grooming dogs, but not all dogs like to be clipped. This will get the dogs used to clip in stages. It offers a powerful yet gentle grooming experience for your dog. It has a powerful motor that can instantly remove loose hair with little effort, providing non-scratch grooming that lasts for months. It is the fastest and easiest way to keep your pet clean and happy. Also, the device features a low noise level of 52 decibels, much quieter than other vacuum suctions. Additionally, with its low noise, large collection bin, and high suction power, this vacuum can reach 98% of shed hair under their fur with just 1 pass. It's ideal for dog breeds such as German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, and Labrador Retrievers. It's an all-in-one pet grooming kit that allows you to groom your pet while keeping everything clean. Its pros are: its large capacity dust cup can handle up to 3.2 quarts of dust, dander, fluff, fuzz, and hair. It has 3 different suction levels that are easy to adjust, and it has a long 7-foot hose so the base unit can be placed further away. However, the clippers may not be powerful enough for clipping dogs with dense curly hair. The Kidken P3 Pro is a great way to groom your pet. It is equipped with a hair bag which can collect hair during grooming, leaving your house clean and tidy. Still haven't found a dog grooming kit and vacuum that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Neakasa P1 Pro. Have you ever wanted to have an easier time brushing your pet dogs? If you love your furry friend but don't love the mess, this is for you. It features 5 professional grooming shedding tools that will leave your pet looking and feeling great. This vacuum has been designed in such a way that it quickly sucks up 99% of the dog or cat hair, so your floors stay clean and free of hair or fur. It's also quiet, so you won't disturb those around you while grooming. If a tool is needed, pull out the guard comb and work on that coat. Moreover, it comes with a vacuum suction tool for more effective cleaning. It is lightweight but very durable to withstand frequent usage on your pets. This portable vacuum is the ideal tool for you to use to groom pets at home or when traveling with them. What are you waiting for? Get one now! Its pros are: it's effortless to use whether switching tools or using the actual unit. It has lots of attachments that you can use for more than just pet grooming, and the zero-mess design means you won't end up with fur all over your clothes or house. However, its grooming tool is a little large, especially when it comes to brushing near the face and getting into the nooks and crannies. The Neakasa P1 Pro is ideal for pet owners as it provides all the features you need to keep your dog and home cleaner than ever before. The 2nd product on this list is the Bunfly PC-S1. Do you want to keep your house tidy without tangling with your pets? How about getting a pet grooming kit for your dogs and cats? It has a large capacity dust cup, meaning you don't have to stop vacuuming to empty it in the middle of cleaning. This multifunction pet grooming tool allows you to groom and vacuum simultaneously, which is convenient and cuts down on your grooming time. It helps to keep your pets clean, fresh, and happy. What's more, it has a 360-degree rotating groomer with 3 adjustable suction levels that can be used to clean the hair and remove dirt from different parts of your pet's body, such as ears, legs, and tail. It has an automatic shutoff feature that helps switch it off once the dustbin becomes full so as not to overfill it. If you want to finish 2 tasks simultaneously, this product is a fantastic choice for you. Its pros are, it's built for cats and dogs, so it's an ideal all-around option. It has 7 different grooming tools, and it comes with a bath brush and a massager. However, the trimmer blades are not super sharp, so they need to be honed or replaced if your pet has particularly thick fur. The Bunfly PC-S1 feels comfortable in your hand and makes it simple to maneuver over areas of your pet's body. It's the ideal trimmer for owners of multiple pets. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top dog grooming kit and vacuum is the HomeRunPet Grooming Vacuum Suction Kit. Do you want to keep your pet at home? Do you want to play with your pet all day? Do you want to make your pet look prettier and healthy? Do you want to have some fun while grooming your dog or cat? This is the solution. This dog grooming kit provides everything you need to help your pet shed less and find more comfort during grooming sessions. It features a 2-quart dust capacity, which is more than large enough for many cats, dogs, and other pets who all love to roll in dirt and dust. Moreover, its 6-in-1 multifunctional pet grooming tools can help remove fur from long hair coats, loose hair from short coats, shave down unwanted hair from easy-to-shave areas like chest or leg folds, and ear cleaning for allergy sufferers. This integrated vacuum suction is powerful enough to remove hair in one pass, and with low noise operation below 45 decibels, you can groom your pet quickly and efficiently at home. What are you waiting for? Effortlessly groom your pet and keep your home spick and span with this dog grooming kit and vacuum. Its pros are, it has adjustable power levels and tools, it boasts a low noise operation worth less than 45 decibels, so it won't disrupt your household while working, its cleaning brushes automatically keep it in good condition, and it has a silicone comb that is really nice for massaging and for de-shedding pets. However, it does not come with any replacement filters for the vacuum. The HomeRunPet Grooming Vacuum Suction Kit is efficient and gently grooms your furry friend and removes dander and hair from your home. Its design provides easy-to-clean components that detach completely, so you can wash them as needed, making it a brilliant option for any pet lover. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.